in case you feel tired. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, here's the camera guy, Max. You have to give them a cue. Give them a cue.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
Hi, today we're going to, our topic is I see Taiwan. And we'll show you guys through this night market. Why we choose night market? Because night market is Taiwan's very famous feature. And first, its history is about 100 years. It lasts for about 100 years. And second, it's about 103 night markets in Taiwan. So it's very easy to get to any night markets in your life. And second, in a night market, you can enjoy your food in a very fun way. One is you can walking and eating. It's a very free style you can do in the night market. And second is the food in the night market is very cheap. So you can use less money to eat lots of food. And we're going to introduce the night market in north part of Taiwan, central, south, and east part of Taiwan. So now that's going to the first stop is the north part of Taiwan. And we choose the Keelung night market. Yes. So now I'll show you guys 4 kinds of food. First one is sausage. And second one is sandwich. Third one is ice cream, but it's not usual ice cream. It tastes a little bit different. And this one is hot side seeker soup. So today we're going to introduce the hot side seeker soup. Yeah, and it's very famous in Keelung night market and its origin from Keelung night market. So we choose this food to introduce this food to you guys. And its origin from Ming dynasty to Qing dynasty. And in the wartime, some soldiers they want to eat some fruit, so they ask the farmers who lives in farmers to make some food for them. So they create this easy kind of food to the soldiers. And now I want to introduce the ingredients in this food. And its ingredients include this white thing is pasta sticker, and this is meat, and this one is shrimp and mushroom and bamboo shoot, and also garlic. Garlic maybe disappear in the soup. So in the soup, yes. So it's in all the ingredients in this pasta sticker soup. And now let's going to. And now I want to introduce the most famous store stand in Keelung night market, and it's 无记顶边错, and it's in front of the temple of Keelung night market. So you can look this stand's photo. So if you want to eat it, you can find this store.
So how much is it? You said it's cheap, right? How much is it?
About 50 to 65.
50 to 65. She said that's cheap. Rich girl. Okay. She's a rich girl.
And now let's go to the central part of Taiwan, and let's welcome Matthew.
Hello everyone, I will introduce the central part of Taiwan. And what night market we introduce of central part of Taiwan is is Fengjian night market. Fengjian night market is in Taichung, and I choose some is famous in Fengjiang Night Market, but that is not the special in Fengjiang Night Market. One is grilled chicken, and the other is stinky tofu, and sausage, and also paper cake. And today I introduced the special food in Fengjiang Night Market is stinky tofu. Why I introduced this stinky tofu to you? Stinky tofu is usual in night market, but this stinky tofu is only in Fengjiang Night Market because it is fermented by black tea. And when you eat this stinky tofu, you will feel a special flavor like tea. And its origin is that the merchant spent a year testing and researching it, and it was born in Fengjiang Night Market. So it is very famous in Taiwan now. And its ingredients that this one is stinky tofu and pickled radish and pickled vegetable. Why the merchant put pickled vegetable and radish in their food? Because if you only eat the stinky tofu, you will feel fatty because it was fried. But when you eat with pickled vegetable and pickled radish, you will feel refreshed. And there is only one merchant in Fengjiang Night Market, that is 解馋小铺. And when you go to Taichung Fengjiang Night Market, you can go eat.
How much?
Finish the central part, I introduced the south part. And the south part, I choose the night market is Tainan Flowers Night Market.
Excuse me, how much was your black tea stinky tofu?
$50. Yes. And the Flowers Night Market, I choose some food for you. One is breast snakes and eel noodle, coffee, and also sweet potato bill. And what I want to introduce today is Neo food, Neo noodle.
Eel noodles.
Eel noodles. And I chose eel noodles to introduce because it was represent the Tainan delicious food. And it was famous in Tainan. And what is its origin? Because the fishing is in economic industry in Tainan, and the yi is Tainan's noodle. They put two famous food in one to make a delicious food, so it represents the Tainan. And its ingredients is about eel, noodles, black bean curd, and sugar. So it tastes little bit sweet, but also is a salty food. And I will introduce the two merchants you can go to eat. One is Tainan 鳝鱼意面, and the other is 晋福鳝炒鳝鱼专家. These two is the most famous in Tainan. And let's go to the last stop. It's about east of Taiwan.
Okay, in the end, let's go to the east part of Taiwan. Yeah. Welcome to Luodong Tourist Night Market. First, because of the weather, Yilan abounds with green onion. Green onion meatloaf, green onion pancake, green onion meatloaf. Are two of the famous food in Yilan. Furthermore, the most popular dessert here is red bean boba, which tastes like common boba in bubble milk tea, but it is red bean in each one of it. And there is also food with interesting Chinese name called bu meat, 补肉, which is made of chicken. Finally, let's start. It's time to introduce our today's must-eat food in Luodong Night Market. It's gaozha. This is gaozha, and why it is
eat food in Rodong Night Market. First, because you can only taste the most authentic gaoja in Rodong Night Market. Second, it represents the characteristic of Yilan of people in Yilan, which means it's as cold as ice outside, but hot as desert inside. And last but not least, the gaoja is one of the cuisines in our national banquet. And what is its origin? It's in early days, in order not to waste food, when Chinese New Year is over, people make the rest part of chicken would be made into gaoja. Okay, this is gaoja. As mentioned, the crispy and cold outside is made of paste, and the tender and burning hot filling consists of chicken broth. In Chinese, it is 鸡汤, and lean pork, 瘦肉, 瘦猪肉, and shrimp and cornstarch and chicken lard, 鸡油, and cook over low heat for 1 hour, and stir occasionally, and remove from the stove and let it cool. Cut into squares and deep fry until golden and crispy. Then you can get this special Taiwanese food, gaoja. However, if you don't want to make it so complex, you can easily get traditional gaoja in Xiaochuan. Next time when you go to Rodong Night Market, don't forget to try this amazing snake. Okay. Finally, we finished our night market tour around Taiwan. Oh, gaoja is $50.
2.
Yeah. Okay, finally we finished our night market tour around Taiwan. No matter which night market you like the most, just go ahead and satisfy your stomach. Thank you for your listening. Bye.
Thank you.